All right, so future project coming up, painting. I already painted the trim and refreshed the wood siding on this side of the house. Now I got to go to the other side that adjoins the neighbor's house to get the trim only painted. The stucco I'm not going to touch because it's harder to paint and it still looks okay. So the trim at the top will get painted. I'm going to use a sander. Got this off Facebook Marketplace for $30 just so I can do better prep instead of just scraping. I'm going to sand too, since it's going to be on a ladder. I opted to get a battery operated or cordless sander. I do have a corded random orbit sander, but being on a ladder with a corded device and extension cord, not fun. So look forward to that future project ahead.